President Yoweri Museveni is on spotlight for directing Pioneer Easy Bus Company to resume operation on Ugandan roads without clearing over 8 billion shillings in tax arrears. Lawyers and lawmakers say the president is stepping on institutions created by law to work for the country's survival, rendering them powerless as those in conflict with law and only perceived as close associates continue to run to him for mercy and break the law at the expense of the economy. By directing URA to release Pioneer buses, KCCA Lord Mayor Arias Lukwago says the president has not only overstepped the powers of the tax body, but also that of the law-making arm of government.
You cannot just run a country by issuing proclamations, decrees, orders. That's a thing of the past. In this modern era, where we are talking about constitutionalism and the rule of law.
In a dossier obtained by WBS Television, the decision was reached after a concerned taxpayer as well as Ntinda Drivers Welfare Club petitioned Uganda Revenue Authority in letters dated 6th and 9th this month, demanding for an explanation from URA as to why the auctioning was not being effected as advertised by law. The two parties, through their lawyer Balonde Mukandi and Wandera advocates, wonder why the bus company has been receiving numerous extensions to pay taxes as URA hits hard on other companies. The two parties further directed the revenue collector to stop extensions as time given was enough, or else they moved to courts of law. The letters, copied to all top government officials, is believed to have prompted Pioneer Bus Company shareholders to urgently seek the president's mercy.
Fortunately, unfortunately, even KCCA they didn't pay. So their matter is still before Parliament. I don't know whether the president now has taken over Parliament, taken over URA, and what is the personal interest he has in the Pioneer is a bus business.
WBS has also obtained documents revealing one Fred Muganga, an in-law to Foreign Affairs Minister Sam Kutesa, as one of the biggest shareholders in the company, and former Privatization Minister Richard Kaijuka. In a lender-director agreement dated 11th May 2011, Pioneer wanted the government to be a guarantor in obtaining $50 million to buy 522 buses, an arrangement that hit a snag pending credibility questions. Former Finance Minister Saida Bumba signed on behalf of the government in presence of the Deputy to Treasury Keith Muhakanizi with confidentiality that each party keep the agreement secret and not to disclose to anyone whatsoever.
Why bail out Pioneer? And we impose heavy taxes on matatu operators, yet they are in the same business. And you're introducing a tax on borders. You're introducing a tax on each and every business unit in Kampala.
Even though the president's directive may have been received as a relief by the company shareholders, it may be hard to get the special lens as KCCA has a contract with Multiplex Company to collect revenue and taxes within town, that if the contract is brushed off, it will bring forth confusion in law application. As management of this bus company prepare to roll them back onto the roads, it is on record that the Easy Pioneer Easy Bus Company has not been easy at all. It has been a point of discussion from Cabinet, Parliament, Uganda Revenue Authority, Kampala Capital City Authority, and the town clerks